In the high-stakes world of heavyweight boxing, where champions clash and titans tumble, the recent face-off between Anthony Joshua and Francis Ngannou under the glaring lights of Saudi Arabia's arena was a spectacle of strategy, power, and the unforgiving nature of the sport. As the bell rang, signaling the start of what was to become a historic showdown, viewers were treated to a masterclass in boxing by none other than AJ, a two-time world heavyweight champion and Olympic gold medalist. The first round set the tone, with Joshua's body jabs hammering into Ngannou like a relentless force of nature. Each punch was a calculated move, a setup for the devastating knockouts that were to follow. Ngannou, an MMA titan stepping into the squared circle, faced a boxing savant in Joshua, who had meticulously studied Ngannou's previous bout with Tyson Fury. AJ's strategy was clear: exploit Ngannou's wide stance and tendency to drop his guard, a habit carried over from his MMA days. As the fight unfolded, Joshua's footwork and timing were impeccable. He danced around Ngannou, setting traps and launching powerful straight rights without a hint of telegraphing. The first knockdown was a testament to Joshua's ring IQ, catching Ngannou off balance with a swift switch to southpaw, landing a straight right that shook Ngannou to his core. The impact was more than just physical. It was a neurological chaos, sending shockwaves through Ngannou's brain, causing a temporary shutdown, a full collapse and loss of electric power, if you will. The science behind the knockout is as fascinating as it is frightening. When AJ's fist, a sledgehammer in disguise, connected with Ngannou's head, it sent the latter's brain on a tumultuous journey within the skull. This violent motion, akin to a mosh pit of neural chaos, can stretch, tear, and disrupt the delicate network of nerve fibers and blood vessels in the brain. The immediate aftermath is a concussive state, where the brain, in an attempt to protect itself, may shut down, leading to unconsciousness and, in severe cases, long-term neurological damage. The second and the final thrid knockdowns, a direct result of Joshua's unyielding assault, underscored the brutal reality of boxing. Each punch carried the potential to not only end the fight, but also to leave lasting scars on the fighter's health. The difference in boxing skill between Joshua, a seasoned champion, and Ngannou, an MMA fighter in unfamiliar territory, was stark. Yet in victory, Joshua remained humble, recognizing the courage it took for Ngannou to step into the ring. This fight was more than just a battle for supremacy. It was a harsh reminder of the dangers inherent in the sport of boxing. As we marvel at the skills displayed by fighters like Anthony Joshua, we must not forget the serious risks they take every time they step into the ring. For Francis Ngannou, this was a lesson learned the hard way, a neurological and physical ordeal that will undoubtedly shape his future in combat sports. So, as we reflect on this monumental fight, let's appreciate the artistry, the strategy, and the sheer willpower of these athletes. But let's also remember the sacrifices they make, putting their well-being on the line for our entertainment and for the love of the sport. In the end, it's a reminder of the thin line between victory and vulnerability, between becoming a legend and a cautionary tale.